Hi, friends. All right, I got a box. So I've been talking to y'all on the socials and some of my videos about how I needed to resupply my COE 104 glass. And y'all came through, made enough money to be able to buy this almost 20 pounds of glass without too much stress on the accounts. That's a lot of packing material. And I'm going to open up what y'all were able to get me. This should enable me to get back in production, at least for a little while, all of those Danish beads that I'm so well known for. Okay, so this looks like this is going to be an orange. And when I was buying this glass, like, I was literally like, what is the cheapest red I can get? What is the cheapest yellow I can get? What is in clearance? So sometimes the reds come out really dark. And when you put those up against blue, they kind of wash out. So I need a really vibrant red. And this may do. This may be a good red. Oh, tacos. What did they get caught on? Well, that happens. Okay, so we've got red. We've got an orange. I'm not sure. That's going to change colors when I work it. You can see that it's got a core in there, so I'm not sure what that was supposed to be. That says crush. This is candy corn. Okay, well, that may work for making candy corns. All right. This is probably, I thought I was getting ivory. Let's see. It says that it's olive, light olive. Let's see what that does. And this is biscotti. Okay. Don't remember buying that. So I used to keep track of all the different glasses that I had. When I moved, that system fell apart. And when I bought this glass, I was literally like, what's cheap? What's on sale? What looks like when the bead is fired, it's going to be a color I want. So the only thing I was specifically looking for by name was the blues. So this is cobalt. This looks like it's going to be a opaque cobalt, which is not what I thought I was getting. All right, let's see what else we got here. This is yellow. Yellow lemon. That is a color I've had before I like. We still have some blacks coming, some clears coming. And I think I got another shade of blue or two. All right, so this is black. That's good. This is topaz. Well, that's not going to go very far. It's black. And this is what I wanted. I probably should have doubled my size on this. All right, this is blue cobalt, transparent blue cobalt. Alright, this should be, what do we have here? We've got this is not the sharpest knife I own. This is my flame working knife. So it's not even supposed to be sharp. Alright, this is emerald green. That's alright, and clear. Hopefully that comes. Clear is a difficult one because you got to get the balance just right, or it comes out dirty. And some clear is easier to work than others. This is pearl. Alright, this is the opaque lapis. So I use that color a fair amount to substitute in for lapis. There's my packing slip, and they give me a sticker. Alright, so I do order from Frantz glass and from Mountain Glass. Alright, so here we go. We got a lapis, clear, pearl, which is probably was intended to be gray, a black, lemon yellow, which is not opaque, but it'll work. I have a lemon opaque that I like a lot. It's like, or it's acid yellow. It's really bright against other colors. The red I think is going to work really well. And this is another black. And then the candy corn, which we'll see what that looks like when it's fired. Some amber. That's the biscotti, I think that was. Emerald. I love greens. Like next to blue and glass, like green's my favorite color. Like cobalt is hard to beat. Next up is green. I love greens. I love emeralds. So then this is going to be different. This is the opaque cobalt blue. And then this is, I forgot what that was. The olive, I think. And then this is the cobalt blue glass, which is the whole reason why we got this purchase. How long will this last? It depends. I will probably run out of this cobalt blue in 3 to 6 months. This other glass will sustain for a little while. So the next time I order, I can probably aim for some other colors and get some more of this blue. But at the moment, what we need to do is we need to raise the funds to finish paying off the repairs on my car. This will help a lot. The kiln is at 873, so we're going to start working a little bit later today. So, anyways, that's my glass storage system at the moment. It's not perfect. All right, it's time to go warm up before coming back out and playing some more.